Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, bringing you a video today on this 2019 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter that we just installed a Blackvue DR750S2 truck. So I'm just going to show you the front camera as I'm walking around here. That would be it on the front window. And then I'm going to show you at the back where we installed the weatherproof rear camera, which is on top of the third brake light rear camera from Mercedes. Now, unfortunately, it is a little bit high on the back of this vehicle. Obviously, the vehicle is quite high. We didn't want to actually drill into the steel bodywork. It wasn't us, it was actually the client who didn't want us to drill into the steel. So we mounted it on top of the plastic, which gives it a great view, but it is a little bit higher than the roof line of the vehicle. But then again, so is the factory backup camera, so it really doesn't matter all that much. So I'm just going to hop into the vehicle here with my coworker Diego. Say hi, Diego. And essentially show everybody what this solution does. So that's the front camera there. That's the same front camera as you'd get in a standard Blackvue DR750S2 channel. The only difference is the rear camera on this vehicle is equipped with the steel weatherproof camera. It does have infrared for night vision, which is very good. It's also 1080p in the rear. Diego is paired to it with his smartphone. So
so we're gonna enter the app, which is this one here in the middle.
So
and then we're gonna click the button in the middle.
Blackvue Wi-Fi, yep.
And there we have access to the camera. So these are all the videos in the dash cam, and you can turn certain filters on and off to view certain kind of video.
And can you give us a view of the front and of the rear? Yep, the live view.
Click the button here, and then if we tilt it.
So that's a live view of the front, as you can see. There's the actual view.
The rear, we just click this button here.
And there's the view of the rear. So you can see that pickup truck that is parked right behind us. This camera is capable of both going up to a 128 gigabyte memory card. It comes equipped with a 16 gig. That's what's in this vehicle right now. But it can go to 128, and it can also do what's known as Blackvue over the cloud, which is the wireless viewing of the camera. If you had an internet connection in this vehicle, or any vehicle was installed in for that matter, you'd be able to remotely view the footage, as well as remotely upload the footage. Here is what the box looks like. We've also installed a Blackvue PMP for parking mode. That's another feature that this camera will give you, which is parking mode. When this vehicle is parked, the camera will still record. The PMP, which is that top box, is what controls how long it will record for, as well as shutting the vehicle down if the battery voltage goes low. I'll give you a view. This is 2019 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, so you can see this is the new dashboard. How long would you say an installation like this took, Diego?
Say maybe between an hour and a half to 2 hours.
Hour and a half to 2 hours. Okay, so it is an install that we recommend a professional installer complete, but if you did try to do it yourself, you'd be able to complete it probably in about 2 to 3 hours total. If you or someone you know is interested in getting a commercial dash camera, or a dash camera for any vehicle for that matter, feel free to reach out to us, 1-866-824-4118. We are located in Markham, Ontario, Canada, so our installation services is in Canada only, but we do ship our products worldwide. And if you like this video, hit the like button, and if you could, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. Here's the Blackvue DR750S2 truck. Thank you very much. Have a great day.